Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a no makeup look. So do well to hit the subscribe button, it does help. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. Now let's go straight into the video. So I'm starting off by using this bar soap to use and comb my eyebrows because I want my eyebrow to be as natural as possible today. And I forgot to show you the clip when I pressed it in. I have a fuller brow in my left brow more than my right brow, so I'm using a very sharp Davis number 30 eye pencil to fill it in. As you notice, I didn't draw any lines. I tried to fill it in by drawing hair-like structures. I don't know how I'm going to pull this off since I don't even have eyebrow. But I'm filling it in using hair-like structures, a stroke, and I'm carving out my brow using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Almond. And I start by that middle. I didn't start from the beginning today because I want today's look to be as natural as possible. Then I use my foundation to join it, then clean it off, so that it will be very easy to blend when I'm applying foundation. Guys, today is a no makeup look, so we are trying as best as possible to achieve this look. So I'm blending it in with my middle finger. So after lining my brows, I'm going in with the same Davis number 3 eye pencil to fill in the side that feels too empty. I have more brow in my left brow than in my right. Which of you have the same problem? Your left brow is fuller than your right brows. So I'm going in with my moisturizer. I'm applying this all over my face. Guys, I'm always stressing you should moisturize your face before you start applying any other products. So since you guys know I have a very oily skin, I'm going with my Pond's Lasting Oil Primer. So that my makeup will last all day. I have to do this. I can't miss this step no matter what makeup I'm doing. I have to prime my face because you don't want your face to look like you just finished frying pancakes on it. So after that, I wanted as if I'm radiating a glow from the inside. So I use my highlighter in this stage first. Apply a highlighter before applying my foundation because since I won't be able to highlight after my foundation, I wanted it to look like as if I'm oozing goodness from the inside. That's why I use the highlighter first. So my foundation, I'm using Maybelline Superstay in the shade Coconut. Guys, in this look, one pump is enough because we are trying to go as natural as we can. So I'm using my Damn Beauty blender to apply it now, and I'm doing it using a dabbing motion. I'm dabbing. Are you guys seeing that highlighter that I put? The foundation, I've covered it all, but it looks like I'm still oozing and radiating from the inside. It's not looking artificial or anything. So guys, use a little amount of foundation. And I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal to conceal. Guys, this type, you can avoid this step if you don't want. You can just go out with your foundation, but I have dark under eye, so I have to conceal. So I'm using the remaining concealer to highlight the part of my face I usually highlight. I didn't apply extra product. I just used the remaining one I used before. And guys, I'm not baking today, so I'm going directly with my brush to apply my highlighting powder. I'm not baking, I'm not doing anything, so I'm just going in directly with my powder. I tap out the excess, then I apply in a dabbing motion. I dab all over the highlighted part of my face, or the places I usually highlight. And I use my finishing powder to apply all over my face. And don't forget the neck, guys. No matter how natural you think you are, just blend in your neck too. So guys, naturally you could have just applied a mascara and I'm good to go, but as you can see, I don't have any eyelash, so I have to go and use falsies. And if you are using falsies, you should use human hair falsies so that it should look as natural as possible, since we are going for a no makeup look. So I'm using this brown eye pencil, lip liner, sorry, to line my lips. I like lining lips, I like defining my lips. I'm going with this Tara lip gloss to apply. That's just all for my lips today. And I'm using my contour powder to contour my hairline. That's the only place I contour today, just my hairline, since I'm looking lighter in my hairline, so I have to contour my hairline. And I'm setting the rest of my face with the Classic Mist and Fix setting spray. I spread it all over my face. And guys, today I'm not using my damn beauty blender to dab it in. If you have a fan, you should use it. It should dry out on its own. So guys, this is the look. Hope the highlight I put did not show too much. It didn't. Hope I could nail this look. What's your thought? Was I able to achieve it or not? And guys, please don't forget to subscribe. It does help. It does help with the YouTube. So until the next video, bye.